Hello dear fans. How to write a complaint against a school principal. At least once in a lifetime, every person has a need to complain about someone to higher authorities. Unfortunately, in our time, the reason for the complaint can be professional insolvency and violation of the official duties of the head of the school. How to write a complaint about it. Instructions. Step 1. Surely, you will spend a lot of time when making a complaint verbally. The most effective way is to file a complaint in writing. Find out to which state authority you should send a complaint about the school principal, the address of the location of this organization, the names of the responsible persons. Step 2. First of all, contact the District Department of Public Education, which directly reports to the school where the unwanted director works. If within 7 days the complaint remains unanswered, send it to the higher inspectorates, City, Regional Department of Public Education, the Department of Education, the Ministry of Education and Science of the Russian Federation, the prosecutor's office or the court. Step 3. Fill out your complaint correctly and comply with the legal requirements. It is best to type the text of the complaint on a computer. Write without spelling errors, resorting to the help of a dictionary. An official will not take a complaint with errors seriously. Step 4. Provide the full and exact name of the educational institution whose director you are complaining about. Express your thoughts briefly, only on the fact of violation by the director of specific rules, without emotional reasoning, indicating the names and surnames of the complaining people and full names. Director. Step 5. In a polite way, ask for action to be taken to remedy the director's misconduct. Be clear about what you want to achieve after the hearing. Add your signature and number at the end. Make a copy of the document. Step 6. Take your complaint personally to the appropriate authority. At the reception, it must be registered with the entry date stamp on the copy. Get the phone number of the receptionist, where you can find out the title and name of the person handling the complaint, or send your complaint by registered mail. Step 7. File a complaint against the director electronically on the Ministry of Education website. Thanks for watching.